How to fix WhatsApp web not working. Can't connect or load WhatsApp web on your browser? Here's how to get it working smoothly. Always use the correct link, web.whatsapp.com. Avoid unofficial website or clones or expired links. Both your phone and computer need stable internet. WhatsApp web mirrors your phone's connection. If your phone is offline, it won't load. Clear your browser cache to fix loading errors. Also disable extensions that may block WhatsApp. Make sure your browser is up to date. WhatsApp web works best with Chrome, Firefox, Safari or Edge. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video or if this video helped you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.